Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply, and today I want to talk about sharpening, or more specifically, using sharpening services. What to look for and what not to look for. So, oftentimes woodworkers will have some very expensive table saw blades, commonly quite expensive, maybe $150 to $200 blades are not uncommon, and they need to be sharpened. Now, something you don't want to do is send this blade to someone who does not know how to sharpen the blade properly. There's a lot of math involved, and that person could potentially ruin that blade. So a lot of places like hardware stores, woodworking stores will offer sharpening services. And one thing I recommend you do is before you give that blade to someone, ask who they have sharpening it. If they say, we have a part-time guy that comes in, he just sharpens up our lawnmower blades and table saw blades and all our stuff, I think it's a great idea to bring your lawnmower blade there, but I would not recommend you bring your high-end table saw blade there. What you want to look for is somebody with a lot of experience, with a pedigree, where reviews you can see online, things like that, because again, the last thing you want is for that blade to get ruined. In the States, one trusted company that a lot of guys are familiar with would be Ridge Carbide. They used to be located in New Jersey, but they are now located in Kansas. So if you have an old Ridge Carbide blade for factory resharpening, they'll have a tag on it that says to send it back to New Jersey. Don't do that. They're located in Kansas now. Now Ridge Carbide will sharpen more than just their own blades. They'll do more than just table saw blades, so planer blades, hole saws, the whole gamut of things. There are lots of other high quality blade sharpeners in the States, but the one that I've dealt with fairly extensively is Ridge Carbide. They do great work. Now, if you're in Canada, great option. These are who we deal with, is Galt Sharpening. They are an excellent company located in Cambridge, Ontario. So what happens with a lot of woodworking stores in Canada is they will work with a company like Galt. So if you drop your blades off here, for instance, they come here every 2 weeks on a Monday. They pick up the blades that we have to be sharpened, and they drop off the blades that they have sharpened. So yeah, that's who we work with, Galt Sharpening. So if you guys need any blades sharpened, feel free to bring them along. But if you're bringing them more locally, make sure you ask who they have sharpening your blades, because it's very important that that company doesn't screw up your very expensive blade. Yeah, so what did I miss there? I think that's everything. If anybody has any questions, you can email me at info@stockholmsupply.com, or just comment on the video. And if you want to see future videos, please subscribe.
I have a question.
Sure.
What's up with your sign behind you?
I spelled every word on that sign correctly.
That is not true, and I would like to know when you're going to get a replacement.
When I have an opportunity, I may fix it. I don't think anybody noticed till you mention it, though.
That's probably not true.
We'll see. If you notice my spelling mistake, leave a comment below.